Hey everyone, for some time now, there have been rumors about the Pixel 8a, and leaks have been appearing often. Even Google Fi unintentionally revealed a few details about what to anticipate from the next gadget. Even though there are many excellent Android phones available for $500 or less, the Pixel 7a stands out from the competition. Though it doesn't have the best specifications, very few Android devices can match Google's Pixel experience. But the Pixel 7a isn't flawless. Problems with overheating, short battery life, and a mediocre display detract from the entire experience. The Pixel 8a is expected to come soon, therefore Google needs to address the following problems with its upcoming mid-range device. The phone was most recently spotted by a tipster on the website of a US carrier. The Pixel 8a was quickly seen by leaker Evan Blass on US Cellular's website. It appears that the carrier quickly removed a tutorial that was uploaded for the gadget. Blass, however, was able to obtain a screenshot that showed the obsidian color option, in addition to the previously disclosed hues mint bay and porcelain. It appears that the Pixel 8a is following a different path in terms of appearance than its predecessor, the Pixel 7a. The device has wider bezels and curved edges, but the carrier listing hides the back of the gadget. But according to reports, the 7a's glossy sheen may give way to a matte texture. There are rumors that the Pixel 8a will have a 6.1-inch OLED display with a peak brightness of 1400 nits and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It might be powered by a Tensor G3 chip, but one that is little less powerful than the one found in the Pixel 8 series. A recent rumor suggests that the 7a may also improve battery life, maybe through faster charging. The smartphone is expected to be unveiled by the tech giant at Google I/O, which is scheduled for May 14th. A price hike above the $499 Pixel 7a is being discussed, which may significantly alter the mid-range phone market in 2024. It remains to be seen whether this will have an impact on its chances of being the best mid-range phone of the year. Pixel's continued relevance has been greatly aided by Google's mid-range selection. However, the Pixel A series phones have been on the market for 5 generations, yet many of the problems that have dogged them from the start still exist today. It's past time for Google to mend its course and deal with these issues with the Pixel 8a. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.